here, alright, this is, okay, let's probably just go back to this. So, under creating custom audiences, right? Now click here, click custom audiences. Now, these custom audiences, you can pick website traffic, customer file, offline activity, app activity. You can pick Facebook sources, video, Instagram business, lead form. This is very important. My new ebook talks about this. Events, instant experience, Facebook page. So when you say custom audience, some people say, but I don't have a website, my only website, blah, blah, blah. You can use Facebook, you can use Instagram. Alright, so too many things, too many beautiful things that you can use. So from your face, this is your Instagram page. Now you can say,
You need to change this to Google Photoshop.
you can change it.
Okay.
Alright? So everyone who has engaged with your business in the past 1 year,
Wow.
you can reduce it
To not
to 180. 180
days.
days.
180 days. Okay.
Can do it to 180 days. Right? You can even come here and adjust it and say, okay, people who have engaged with any post or ad, people who have sent a message, people who have saved any. So that's what I was telling. I said, so people will save the post and run away.
So Facebook
knows them, will bring them out. You cannot hide. Do you understand? So that's why I keep saying, don't boost posts. It's the same money. It's the same $1. So boosting your post, you don't get this.
You just boost what is posted. That's all.
Meanwhile, there are several things that Facebook has already put that will make your ad fantastic. So these are so like this part now. Right? So you can do this. So we're picking everyone who has engaged with your business, meaning everyone who has done the 4 of this. You will get them in the past 180 days. You can say 1 year, but 1 year the person did it in January. Okay, this is July. The person did it in July last year. Now I've forgotten.
Okay.
So maybe the person did it in January. January is like 6 months ago. Might not have forgotten, but still remember. So let's use like 6 months. Yes.
Okay.
So you can include more people, you can exclude more people. It all depends. You can include people based on whatever characteristics that you want to put. Okay. You can exclude people based on whatever characteristics that you want to put. It's something that you can do. So maybe some people have been seeing your ad and you don't want them to see your ad. You can use all these addresses to remove them. Right? Now you can also name this. You can name this audience and say Bonams Ashoki. Bonams Ashoki. Right? You can say Bonams Ashoki Instagram audience.
Instagram audience, okay. Wow.
Instagram audience. Do you get it now? So this Bonams Ashoki Instagram audience is yes. So you click create audience.
Can you create it now? When I'm ready to run it.
I'm creating it.
So when I'm ready,
It
I'll
has
just
created. Now, immediately after creating your custom audience, it is showing you something. It says find new people similar to your existing users.
Wow.
That is what look alike audiences.
Oh.
So you're creating look alike.
Okay.
Right? Now, in look alike, this is the beauty of look alike. We have already told you that you should use that custom audience that you just created. Then you can now pick location, Nigeria. Alright? Then you now pick number of look alike audiences. This is 1. You can create up to 6. Alright?
Wow.
Then this is the percentage. 1, nearest to those people. 2, close to 1. 3, just close like that. Now, me, I like creating all.
Which is this? Oh.
Up to 10.
10. So
Now, that has given me 1.4 million people just from those on Instagram.
Wow.
I have not done your normal interest.
Yes.
Ashoki likers, fashion people. I have not done that. Oh. This is just look alike.
Wow. And already
We've not,
to 1.4.
the custom audience is different though. You know this is look alike that we are creating now. We are having about 1.4 million.
Then what about this search for regions or countries? That means you can
Well,
select.
yes, now you can pick an area.
You can pick other countries.
Yes, you can. There's that. But why I'm picking Nigeria is because of where we are. You can create audience and pick another location. You can create another one with this same type and say for so and so country. You can do that, right? But it's better when you pick around certain locations together, like rather than pick. Okay, if you pick, you can try to pick maybe just Lagos State. You can try to pick maybe just Ogun State. But picking Nigeria just gives you a broad group. So let's go down. So you are seeing 1%, about 285 people, 1 to 2%, 285 people, Then 5 to 10%, they are about 1.4. So you create audience. So you can do this as many times as you want. You can do this as many times as you want. You can come again and create another one. Custom audience this time. You can say, okay, we've done Instagram business profile. Let us use Facebook. Or let us use lead form. Lead form is from lead ads. Lead ads. Facebook lead ads. Yeah, so you can do that. You can say, okay, let us use videos. Those that interacted with your videos before. You can say, okay, let us use customer file, email, phone number, maybe the name of the people. They'll go and find them. When they find them, for every custom audience that you create, you can create a lookalike. Okay? So you may not just go into all of it, but this is where we are. Right? So you go down, pick all of that. So you can decide to pick all those beautiful things that you like doing. You can write all of them here. You understand? Interests, behaviors, all those ones, you can pick all of them here. When you pick all of them, when you are done, it will say save this audience. Now, what you are doing is it will save the custom audience that you've created, the lookalike audience that you've created, and the interest that you are creating. Now, your normal boosting post would have only saved this.
Just interest.
You would have missed out on these two. Meanwhile, these two are usually the most converting. Because this one, you are picking them, they might not even have heard of you. But this one, you are picking them, they've interacted with you one way or the other. Right? So, absolutely important. So, you can pick all of that. Then save the audience. Then you go down to your placements. Pick placements, whichever one you want to do. Alright? There are several placements. Facebook stories, Facebook statuses, alright? DM, Messenger, Instagram status, Instagram profile, Instagram feed, Facebook audience network. There are many, maybe up to 10 or 11.
So you say removing placement will reduce the number of people.
Yeah, edit placement is you will now choose where you want it to go. Now, I usually advise people to just go there, just go for automatic placement. Let Facebook just pick. Alright. Okay. Now you can also come here and click edit and pick for yourself. So whichever one you want to do, that one is absolutely
fine. So this placement, does it have, like is this still talking about the audience or?
Yes, it's talking about where the ads will be placed.
Okay.
Talking about where the ads will be placed. You understand? So these are the other optimization.
10-second video available.
Yes, so just try TruePlay. Yes, TruePlay, that's what we do now. We already set up that initially. That they should, spread the best budget for it. So we set up that initially. So that's what we're going to do. So this one is you want to maybe set a limit, spend limit. That you should not pass. So these are all the things. So once you click here, before the ad will now go to picking the page that you want to use. So which page do you want to use? Balance Studio. You now select the page here to. There is this.